Hello guys, good morning and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are seeing this face for the very first time, you're absolutely welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch me. In today's video, I'll be answering some of your questions, and 3 days ago I dropped on my community post that you should ask me questions because the last time we had a Q&A was when I was around 500 subs, and now we are at 1140, so we have a whooping 600 plus newbies here. So I just thought it's wise to carry my newbies along. So if this is a video you want to watch, please stay tuned and watch up until the very end. You guys went out for me. You asked a whole lot of questions. I have from my Instagram, I have from my YouTube community post, and it's a whole lot of questions. I have some here. I don't know if you can see it. The light is reflecting, so I have a lot of questions here that I want to answer this morning, and I'll be trying my best to dissect it and answer them truthfully as possible. Please, if you are hearing ping at the background, please ignore. I'm trying to make this content as early as possible so it can go out today. So if you are here and you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing. It's absolutely free to subscribe. I'll try as much as possible to make it fun and interesting. Without further delay, let us get right into the video. Yeah. So the very first question is, hello baby, please teach us time management and how you are able to manage your time as a mom, a baker, and a 9 to 5er. The truth is, I am not a 9 to 5er. I work for myself. Let me quickly clear that. I work for myself. I am a baker and I have a studio where I make my cakes, I deliver, and I have a place where I train my students. Now, the very first question is my time management. The truth is, we all have 24 hours to our time, to ourselves. So I try as much as possible to plan my time a day before, so I know what I want to do from the time my kids wake up to when they go to school to when I make their lunch to when I bake. I have everything planned out within the range of my 24 hours. I do not go out unexpectedly, so I have to plan my outing if I have any, and I think that has helped me a lot. And the second question is your time as a mom. I try as much as possible, like I said, to create time for everything, time to work, time to be there for my kids as a mom, and time to film my content. Like so, I hope I answered that question well. And the next one says, I just want to congratulate you on your 1K milestone and wishing you all the best. Thank you so much. The next one, as a mom, how do you cope with YouTube, family, and your job as a YouTuber? I just answered that question. I try to fix myself in, divide my time. When my kids are at home, I know they are at home and I have time for them. When I want to film, I want to film. And there are days I want to bulk, create content. If there's anything like that, I want to create content in bulk. So I create time. I do this when my kids are not around because I don't want to be, live there, come here. I don't want to have issues with that. So I just create my content when they are not at home. The next one is, what is your goal this year on YouTube aside aiming monetization? The truth is, my very first goal this year is, in fact, this month, is to get monetized. So help me God. I pray to get monetized this month and to hit 10,000 subscribers at least by December. And I'm trying my best to work towards it. Creating content, being as constant as possible, and creating content that people want to watch, that is relatable and that is searchable. That's what I plan for my YouTube this year, and I think I'm doing a good job by being consistent because I post 3 times a week now, on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays. And there are times I create content during those days and I post even before then. So the next question is, hello, what inspired you to start YouTube? What inspired me to start YouTube? It's 3 things. Firstly, I want to take my brand out of my locality. I want to have clients from outside of Lagos. Although I have that, but I'm not getting the visibility that I want, if that's making any sense. I want to have clients outside of Lagos. I want to have to deliver cake outside of Lagos as often as possible. I want to have clients outside my locality and where I live. That is number one. Number two, I want to have friends that I can communicate to. I am the kind of person that I don't keep physical friends, but at least I want to have friends. And I have you. I have 1,001 friends that I can talk to if I am having any issue. I can come on here and rant to you guys, and you guys will watch me and you encourage me. So that's number two. And number three is to make it my side also. Yes, everybody wants extra cash, so I'm trying to make it I'm making it my side also, at least to get extra coin, because the Nigeria that we live in, you cannot depend on one job. So the next one is, what is my channel all about? I guess this person is a very new customer here. So if you are listening to me, that means you are new. And thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. And my channel is all about food. I create content around food making, market vlogs, cake making, cake decorations, pastries, one or two lifestyle videos, and some fun content that they are fun to relate with. And but basically my channel is all about food. So I'm done with that. Let me go to the next comment. I posted twice and I had questions. People asked me twice. So the next one is, congratulations. It says, thank God. How did you manage the watch hour that dropped, and how did you overcome it? The truth is, I have not overcome the watch hour that I lost. I'm yet to, because I lost 3,000 WH in December, and if you are a YouTuber, you know what that means, and it really broke me down. I could not even post for like 2 weeks because I was emotionally drained. I had to withdraw. And thank God for the friends I have over here. You guys came through for me. In fact, the words of encouragement I got from here was next to none. Thank you so much for everyone that watched that video, and to everyone that commented, and to everyone that reached out to me. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. I am yet to recover, but what would I do? I had to let go and let God. So I had to just continue the hustle, and I believe pretty soon I'm going to get there. The next one is, congratulations, thank you. Wow, why did you start YouTube channel, and how is your growth been? I answered why I started YouTube channel a while ago, and how has my growth been? My growth has been slow and steady. Thank God I'm not stagnant, but I am moving. My 100 subscribers, my 20 subscribers, my 10 subscribers, they are counting, and my 1 hour, my 2 hours, my 3 hours, they are counting as well for my WH. So it's not that I'm stagnant. I thank God for that. I am moving gradually. It might be slow at the beginning, but thank God I am not stagnant. What are the tricks and tips on how to gain more subscribers? I believe to gain more subscribers, we need to support each other genuinely. That is one major thing. We need to support each other genuinely. We need to show love, be there for each other. See, the truth of this is very wide, and we need to support each other. So that is number one. Number two, I think we should create content that are more educational. Let me put it like that. Content that people really need. You know your niche. You know what is trending in your niche. Then go for it. Those are the things I feel can give us more views and more subscribers. So I think I have answered all of the questions I got from one of my posts, and I don't want to make this video too long, so I think I would answer the personal part of this video in a separate video. So watch out for part 2 of this Q&A in my next video. So if you are watching up until the end and you're yet to subscribe, and I hope I'm able to answer your questions, please subscribe to my channel. Get me to my 10,000 before the end of the year, and increase my WH. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Remain blessed till I see you in my next video.